Hey everybody, we're back with another Zelite Infinity knife. This is a serrated 5.5-inch utility knife, and this, like other Zelite knives, this thing is heavy duty. Japanese VG10, super stainless, clad with 66 layers of high carbon stainless steel blade. And once again, I am not touching the blade. I've learned my lesson with the first three. It has a full tongue blade, which means that the blade goes the entire length of the knife. It's not just up to the handle. The handle is actually attached to the knife itself. So it's a good feel to the knife. It's very sharp. It's cutting through semi-frozen chicken like there's nobody's business here. Very, very nice. And it's pretty. It's just as pretty as the other knives that we have from Zelite. Absolutely. I love the little details in these. Let's see if I can bring that in. Let's see if it'll focus. It will not. It'll teach me here. Anyway, it's a very pretty knife. It has great balance to it. Completely sold. Thanks for watching. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. There we go. Now I can bring it in.